Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting geared up to explore the exciting world of upcoming wearables, specifically diving deep into the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 smartwatch. As you know, Garmin is a titan in the wearable tech industry, and their Fenix series is legendary for its rugged durability and advanced features designed specifically for athletes and outdoor adventurers. The Fenix 7 series only just hit the shelves, but whispers of its successor, the Fenix 8, are already creating a buzz. Based on hot-off-the-press leaks and rumors, Garmin appears to be cooking up some significant upgrades for the Fenix 8. So buckle up and get ready for a comprehensive breakdown of what we can expect from this upcoming release. AMOLED display revolution. One of the most talked-about changes is the rumored switch from an MIP, memory in pixel, display to a stunning AMOLED display. This would be a game-changer for the Fenix series, ushering in an era of richer colors, deeper blacks, and improved readability under harsh sunlight. Let's take a moment to understand the significance of this upgrade. MIP displays, while known for their durability and energy efficiency, tend to have washed-out colors and limited viewing angles. Imagine you're out on a challenging hike and you glance at your watch to check your GPS coordinates. With the MIP display, the details might appear a bit faded, especially under bright sunlight. AMOLED displays, on the other hand, are like looking through a window to a world of vibrant colors and crisp details. They offer an exceptional viewing experience, perfect for viewing maps, intricate data screens, and even workout videos. Think about visualizing your heart rate zones on a crystal clear display or navigating a complex trail map with perfect clarity. That's the power of AMOLED technology. This rumored upgrade aligns with Garmin's recent approach in their Forerunner series, particularly the Forerunner 265 and 965. By incorporating an AMOLED display in the Fenix 8, Garmin would be putting it on par with other high-end smartwatches in the market. This would undoubtedly make it even more enticing to fitness enthusiasts who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. New names and sizes. The rumor mill also churns out the possibility of a name change for the base model. Currently, the Fenix 7 comes in three sizes: 42mm, Fenix 7S, 47mm, Fenix 7, and 51mm, Fenix 7X. It seems Garmin might be considering ditching the S designation for the base model in the Fenix 8 lineup, simply calling it the Fenix 8. This could be a strategic move to streamline the naming convention or perhaps signal a size increase for the base model. However, there's no official confirmation on this yet. Speaking of size increases, rumors suggest that the Fenix 8 might introduce a new 43mm size option, effectively replacing the 42mm Fenix 7S. This would be fantastic news for users with smaller wrists who might find the current Fenix 7 a tad too bulky. Imagine having a watch that perfectly fits your wrists and seamlessly integrates into your active lifestyle. Fenix 8 or Fenix E. There appears to be some discrepancy regarding the successor to the Fenix 7S. Some sources point towards a direct upgrade called the Fenix 8, while others suggest an entirely new model dubbed the Fenix E. The Fenix E is rumored to retain the MIP display but come in at a more affordable price point. This could be a strategic move by Garmin to broaden their target audience. The Fenix 8, with its rumored AMOLED display and potentially more advanced features, would target high-end users. The Fenix E, on the other hand, would cater to budget-conscious buyers who still crave a capable outdoor smartwatch. Release date and pricing. Garmin is yet to officially announce the Fenix 8, so there's no concrete release date on the horizon. However, based on historical release cycles and educated guesses, leaks suggest a possible unveiling in late August or early September. This means you might not have to wait too long to get our hands on this potentially groundbreaking smartwatch. When it comes to pricing, we can again use the Fenix 7 series as a reference point. The Fenix 7S starts at around $699, the Fenix 7 at $799, and the Fenix 7X starts at around $899. With the rumored inclusion of an AMOLED display and potentially more advanced features, we can expect the Fenix 8 to come in at a slight price premium compared to its predecessor. However, without official confirmation, it's difficult to predict the exact price range. Feature powerhouse. While concrete details are scarce, let's delve into the potential feature set of the Fenix 8. Here's where speculation can ignite our excitement. Asterisk enhanced performance monitoring. Garmin is renowned for its robust fitness tracking features. Expect the Fenix 8 to build upon this legacy, potentially offering even more in-depth performance metrics. Imagine receiving real-time data on things like VO2 max optimization, training load analysis, and muscle fatigue levels. These insights could help you tailor your workouts with greater precision and push yourself further while staying within healthy limits. Asterisk advanced navigation features. The Fenix series is a favorite among adventurers for a reason. The Fenix 8 could elevate the navigation experience by offering preloaded topographical maps, improved multiband GNSS, global navigation satellite system, support for superior accuracy, and even turn-by-turn navigation for complex routes. Imagine conquering remote trails with complete confidence, knowing exactly where you are and where you're headed. Asterisk battery life considerations. The shift to an AMOLED display might raise concerns about battery life. AMOLED displays are known to consume more power than IP displays. However, Garmin is a leader in power management technology. They might implement optimizations and new low-power display modes to mitigate potential battery drain. Here's where things get interesting. Rumors suggest the possibility of a dual display system. Imagine a secondary, low-power display kicking in for basic timekeeping and essential functions where you need to maximize battery life on extended expeditions. This would be a clever way to bridge the gap between stunning visuals and lasting endurance. Asterisk smartwatch functionality beyond fitness. The Fenix series isn't just about fitness, it's about staying connected and informed on the go. The Fenix 8 could see an expansion of smartwatch functionalities, potentially including advanced music controls, contactless payment options, and even integration with voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Imagine managing your playlists while on a run, sending a quick message to your loved ones, or checking the weather using voice commands, all from your wrist. Fitness and adventure beacon. The Garmin Fenix 8, based on these leaks and rumors, appears to be shaping up as a true powerhouse in the world of outdoor smartwatches. From the potential upgrade to a stunning AMOLED display to advanced performance monitoring capabilities and enhanced navigation features, the Fenix 8 promises to be a game-changer for athletes and adventurers alike. It's important to remember that these are just rumors and leaks. Garmin hasn't officially confirmed any details about the Fenix 8, but one thing is certain, the excitement surrounding this upcoming release is palpable. We eagerly await the official announcement from Garmin and will keep you updated as soon as more information becomes available. In the meantime, stay tuned to the channel for more in-depth discussions about the latest wearable tech and how it can empower your active lifestyle. If you're already a Garmin user, share your experiences with the Fenix series in the comments below. Let's build a community of fitness enthusiasts and gearheads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the Fenix 8, leave it in the comments below and we'll discuss them in the next video.